Hello and welcome back to this new video tutorial. So in the last video tutorial we have covered some of the another operators. So now in this video we are going to cover the precedence and associativity of the operators. So now let's cover the precedence first. So let's take some variable int a comma b comma c and x. So now if I'm going to write x is equal to a into b plus c. So in a maths, okay, let's remove this previous program. So in a maths, we are having a BODMAS formula, but here we are going to implement the same thing, but the concept is a little bit different. So in C++, we are having a precedence and associativity to solve this particular expression. So now the precedence of operators determine that to whom I'm giving a more priority. So here we are having this multiplication having a more priority than plus. So that's why my expression would be evaluated with this expression rather than this. How I came to know this, you can find many web resources or books. You are having many of the tables which is having this precedence. So in this slide, you can see that this is the order of a precedence. So now you can see these are having a higher precedence. At the second precedence, we are having this unary operators. Then we are having a multiplication, division, and a remainder, then plus minus, and then so on. So now on the basis of this, I can conclude that this multiplication comes first as compared to the plus and minus. So A into B is going to evaluate first. Okay, just let's see the output. Let's give some values to these variable C equals to 10. So now first this is going to evaluate it 5 2s are 10 plus 10 20. So I'm expecting 20 on my output screen. So it's correct. So now what will happen if I replace plus with this division? So now you can observe from this table, so these are having the same precedence. So now how compiler is going to determine that which sub-expression I'm going to solve first. So here associativity comes into the play. So now you can observe that this red highlighted columns. So here this row, only unary operator, this ternary operator or conditional operator, and assignment operator. These are right to left associative. The rest of the operators are left to right. If it is left to right like this, the both are left to right. So in this case, I will start from the left hand side. So it's going to evaluate A into B first, then it's going to divide it with C. So now it's 5 to the 10, 10 divided by 10, I will having a 1 over here. Okay. So in this conclusion, so this is a sample program. So this is a main, this is a opening blog, this is a closing blog, and this thing we have learned so far. So in next video we are going to cover some and conditional statements and looping statements. Thanks for watching and keep tuned.